right, today we're driving a brand new 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe from Hyundai of Wesley Chapel. And we're hitting the road to Rainbow Springs State Park. This place is known for its beautiful blue spring water, sparkling waterfalls, and scenic nature trails. Buckle up, it's time for a giant summer road trip. Okay, we have just got to Rainbow Springs State Park in our brand new 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe. Awesome car, awesome ride. And did you know that this state park is the 4th largest spring in the state of Florida? The crystal clear water remains a cool 72 degrees year round, which is perfect for kayaking, canoeing, or floating. Don't forget the snorkel. You can see so much aquatic wildlife in this crystal clear water. My favorite thing has to be the waterfalls. You don't see that every day in Florida. And make sure to take a walk through the magical forest, lined with mossy trees and expansive nature trails. With history dating back here thousands of years, there's so much to explore at this Florida hidden gem.
This is going to be a clear kayaking adventure into the head springs of a first magnitude freshwater river. It's the ambience. If you really think about it, not many places around Florida have been developed to their full capacity, and this is one of them. This is just such a unique landmark that the state, the city, the county, they're all involved in preserving this. Overall, it's just such a great adventure to be surrounded by nature. If you guys haven't adventured out into the multiple springs that Florida has to offer, then you are missing out.
All right, that's a wrap here at Rainbow Springs, all thanks to Hyundai of Wesley Chapel. This drive is about 2 hours from Tampa, and why not do it in a beautiful Hyundai Santa Fe? So if you're going anywhere for a road trip this year, why not make it a giant summer adventure? Summer has arrived, and Taste and See Tampa Bay is hitting the road.
And the Giant is putting you in the driver's seat to the best road trips in Florida. Are you ready for the summer adventure, Zach?
It'll be giant.